In this video, you're going to learn how to use the max function in Excel to find the maximum or largest value in a set of numbers. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the spreadsheet I used in this video, just click on the link in the description below. So we'll just start that off up here by typing in equals max and opening the brackets. We'll select our range with the mouse, close it off, and we get 700 as the highest value in that range of numbers right there. And once again, we can copy it down with the fill handle. We can copy it down with Control C and Control V. Or we can copy it down by right clicking on the mouse and doing copy and paste. If we just have a look down here, you can see it's extracted 500 as the answer. So it's evaluating 300, 500, and 500. So 500 appears there twice, and it's telling us that that's the maximum value, which is correct. All right, let's do it this way. Okay, so that's telling us that 400 is the highest number in that range right there. And again, I'll copy that across just with the fill handle. I'll copy it across with Control C and Control V. And then we'll just take a look in here and we can see that 1000 is the highest value. So that's the max value. And then we'll do our max down here in the corner and select the whole range, close it off. And it's giving us 1000 as the maximum or highest value in that entire range.